Hey guys, in this video, we will be learning how to draw a steel frame table leg. Alright, let's get started. So firstly, go into your customization function and then click on to your kitchen cabinet function. Alright, so we will be using a super plate to create our steel frame table leg. Alright, so key in super and then you can find a super plate. Alright, once you're done, we can always resize the plate. Alright, so for my width, I'm going to resize it to 800. For my depth, I'm going to resize it to 1100. And for my height, I'm going to give it a 50. Alright, so once I'm done resizing the panel, alright, I can click on to B, go into my board selection mode, right click on the panel and select panel point editing. Right, so right now we are inside the panel point editing function. We are going to open up a hole in the middle. Right, so we can always use this function, open a hole and then click on free drawing. Right, so right now I'm just going to draw a rectangle. Alright, so once I'm done drawing a rectangle, I should see a hole in the middle. Right, so I want my dimensions to be 30. Okay, as you can see right now it's 50 for the gap. Okay, so to change it to 30, click on to the hole which you just opened, and then at the corner you will see a circle. Click on the circle and then change the vertex coordinates. Change it to 30 for x and y axis. Alright, so repeat the steps for all four sides. So I'm going to change it all to 30 for this side as well. 30, 30, and then the last one 30 and 30. Alright, so now I would have something like that. Okay, so when I'm done, I can just click on saved and return. Alright, so basically I have something like that, which is the frame table leg. Okay, so now I can click on X to rotate it up and then click on Z to move it. Okay, so I'm gonna place it onto the ground, so I just key in 0. Alright, so next I'm gonna move it slightly to my left. Okay, so I have one frame leg already, so firstly I can change the material first. Okay, so I'm going to select a metal material and then just type in steel. Right, so I'm going to choose this color, choose. Right, so once I have one already, I need to copy another one. Just click on Ctrl V. Okay, so I copy another one and then adjust the placing. Alright, so over here to over here it's 2280, I know, so this one I'm going to change it to 2280. Right, so now we are going to create a panel in between these two frame legs. Right, so same thing, we are going to use a superboard. So drag a superboard out. Right, resize the superboard. So for my width, I'm going to resize it to 60, no, 100. Alright, and then for my depth, I'm going to resize it to 1000. Okay, so my height, I'm going to put it 30 for my height. Okay, so once I have my panel, I'm going to just move it onto the leg frame. Okay, so I'm going to just move it. Okay, so place it 1000, 1100. Alright, so I have one frame done, so maybe it's a little bit too thick, so I will change the width to 70. Alright, so now I would like to have another one, so I can just same thing, click on Ctrl V. Alright, you will copy and paste and then just drag to position it. Okay, so once I'm done positioning both of this panel, I can use the material painter. Alright, so right click onto your steel frame leg, and then choose format painter, material painter, and paint these two panels. Alright, so basically I have my steel frame table leg done. Okay, so now I would like to group them up. So hold on to my control button and highlight the entire. Alright, and then we can press on Ctrl G to group them. Okay, and then we can always save it to our favorites. So in future, if we want to use it again, we can always go to our favorites. Alright, and then we may just drag them out directly to use it. Alright guys, so this is how to draw a steel frame table leg. Good luck trying, guys.